Let's make some crispy thread chicken in the air fryer. I've got 2 chicken breasts. You can add 1 egg or 2 egg yolks, white pepper, paprika, garlic granules, coriander powder, salt, cornflour, vinegar, soy sauce, everything. Now set this aside. Now I'm gonna use some spring roll sheets. I've taken like 7 to 8 sheets and I'm just gonna fold them. Once the sheets are folded, cut them into thin strips. Some cornstarch or cornflour on it. Now take a piece of chicken and you have to just basically fold these sheets around the chicken. So that's it, that's one ready. So I'm gonna make all of these. Coated all the chicken. Now I've placed 3 of them in a baking dish because I'm gonna air fry these. Oil spray them. You can also deep fry them. I'm going to air fry these at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. It's been 7 minutes and I think they're ready to be flipped. So I'm just going to flip these, spray them on this side as well. And I'm going to put these back in the air fryer for maybe 5 more minutes. These are ready.